Hello guys, for today's lesson, evaluate the following functions at x is equals to negative 2. Letter A, f of x is equals to negative 3. So f of negative 2 is equals to, substitute the value of x. So negative 2 minus 3 equals negative 5. Letter B, g of x is equals to x cubed minus 2x plus 5. G of negative 2 is equals to, substitute the value of x, so that is negative 2 cubed minus 2 times negative 2 plus 5 equals negative 2 cubed is negative 8. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4 plus 5. So equals negative 8 plus 4 is negative 4 plus 5 is 1. C, h of x is equals to the cube root of x squared plus x plus 3. So h of negative 2 is equals to the cube root of negative 2 square plus negative 2 plus 3 equals to the cube root of negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Positive times negative 2 is negative 2 plus 3 equals the cube root of 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is the answer, cube root of 5. P of x, so p of negative 2 is equals to, substitute the value of x. So we have negative 2 square plus 1, negative 2 minus 4 equals negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4 plus 1, negative 2 minus 4 is negative 6. So that is equals to negative 5 over 6. Letter E, q of x is equals to the absolute value of x minus 2. So we have q of negative 2 is equals to the absolute of negative 2 minus 3 equals the absolute value of negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. So the absolute value of negative 5 is 5.